All right, today I am fixing the door. What happened was I went to open the driver's door and I heard this really loud pop, it almost sounded like glass breaking. But I took the door apart and I saw that it was a spring that came undone. So I went to go get these parts and here's what I got. So that's the piece that I'm gonna fix is this one right here. And what happened was this piece right here, where the long part of that spring goes. So here's the spring, and then there's a short end and a long end. And that long end, which is closer to that weight, that piece, that plastic piece, you can see it on the other side. What the heck? I think well, whatever. I think I'm recording. Let me stop for a second. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm still recording, but anyway, this piece broke. So that piece right there, that plastic piece broke off. So that means this spring was loose, and then because that spring was loose, the door handle on the inside wouldn't shut all the way. It works, but there's a little tit in there that I'll show it to you. But if it's not touching, then it won't close the window all the way. But then the guy said that they changed this part, so this one has a little bit of a different end connection. This one has that round, this thing. And the one that's in there now is kind of a jagged hook looking thing, but they changed this to fit in this one. So hopefully it'll fit, otherwise I'll just use the old one. All right. So I'm getting to be pretty good at taking this stuff apart. so many times, this is kind of second nature now. So that was pretty much the easy part, and then the hard part is taking off the rest of the door, which just, you know, you have to pop it out. I need to take it more. Oh shit. How am I gonna get that? Oh shit. Oh man. I'm gonna have to take that whole damn door. Oh man. Oh man. See that? Let me see if that fits first. Yeah, that's the broken part right there. This part right here. Can't see because of the shadow, but right here, this piece should have gone underneath right here. From just doing these parts, you know?
You got up to 10,000 where you collect the money?
You don't need 10,000.
Oh.
But, so there's the old part. Anyway, that was on there.
Make sure you tell them about the change in the part.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to kind of glaze over that part of it, you know? Hopefully it'll work. The hard part's going to be getting this thing back in. Like this one, I just had to muscle it out of here. But oh, that was easy. Where'd that drill go? Look, that went on super easy.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go.
Well, hold on. Wait until I get this door back on. Unless you're gonna get killed in traffic if you wait.
What time is it?
It's like 3, almost 4.
Yeah.
Then go. Yeah, don't worry about it.
I am.
Help me put this, just let me get this door. The only part that's hard for me to do by myself is reattaching this and holding it. All right, it's impossible for me to film myself putting this door on because I just can't do it by myself. But basically what I did was I just put it back on. So I used the same cable that was already on there. I don't know if it's gonna work yet, but we'll find out in a minute. All right, so basically, yeah, that'll work. It's not ideal, but you know, the door handle still works and it closes really good. So like before it was closing to about right here, right? And then it wouldn't close all the way. So that little tit right underneath where my middle finger is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right on the bottom of the door handle, by this finger right here. And that corresponds to, you can't see it, but it's like I'm grabbing my light. So yeah, right here, that little tit goes into that. You can't see it. It's right here.